Imagine looking up at the night sky and spotting a black hole with your naked eye, just 3,000 light-years away. Sounds thrilling, right? But what if that cosmic monster got a little too close for comfort? Today, we're diving into the wild, mind-bending world of black holes to answer one big question. Could one of these space vacuums devour Earth? And what would that look like? Buckle up, because this ride is going to get weird, wild, and a little bit stretchy. What are black holes anyway? Let's start with the basics. Black holes are like the universe's ultimate vacuum cleaners, sucking in everything. Stars, planets, even light itself. There are roughly 100 million stellar black holes in our Milky Way alone, formed when massive stars, 10 to 20 times larger than our Sun, go supernova and collapse into a super-dense point. These stellar black holes are tiny in size, about 16 kilometers, 10 miles, across, but pack a gravitational punch that could ruin your day. Then there's the big league, supermassive black holes. These beasts are as wide as our solar system and have the mass of over 1 million suns combined. At the heart of our galaxy sits Sagittarius A, a supermassive black hole that's basically the Milky Way's VIP. Fun fact, even a black hole the size of a 1-millimeter pin could wreak havoc if it got close to Earth, thanks to its insane density and gravitational pull. So size doesn't always matter, it's all about proximity. The event horizon, the point of no return. Picture this. A black hole is drifting closer to Earth. The first thing you need to know about is the event horizon, the invisible line where things get real. Cross it, and there's no coming back. You'd need to move faster than light to escape, and spoiler alert, that's not happening. If Earth got too close, the side facing the black hole would start stretching toward it like cosmic taffy. Our atmosphere would get vacuumed up, followed by chunks of the planet itself. Not exactly a vacation destination. If we got caught in the black hole's orbit, things would heat up, literally. The uneven gravitational pull would cause tidal heating, deforming Earth and creating so much internal friction that our core would turn into a molten mess. Cue earthquakes, volcanoes, and tsunamis, the ultimate apocalyptic combo. It's like Mother Nature decided to throw a tantrum, and we're all caught in the crossfire. Spaghettification, not as tasty as it sounds. Now, let's talk about the creepiest part, spaghettification. If you were brave or crazy enough to dive toward a black hole, your body would stretch like a piece of cosmic pasta. Why? Because the gravity pulling on your head would be way stronger than the gravity at your feet. For a stellar black hole, this stretchy nightmare could start hundreds of kilometers from the event horizon. For a supermassive one, it might happen inside the event horizon, but either way, you're toast. Or rather, noodles. Everything, people, planets, even stars, gets torn into a string of atoms. Our entire solar system would be doomed too. The delicate balance of planets orbiting the sun would collapse, potentially sending them crashing into each other. Oh, and those 200 asteroids over 100 kilometers, 62 miles wide in our asteroid belt, they'd probably come hurtling toward us, turning Earth into a cosmic panada before we even get to the spaghettification part. Radiation and cosmic chaos. Let's say somehow we dodge the asteroids. We're still not safe. As matter gets sucked into a black hole, it forms an accretion disk, a swirling ring of doom that generates insane amounts of radiation. This radiation would fry anything left standing, making survival about as likely as winning the lottery while riding a unicorn. Even if we found a way to orbit a black hole, like those rare circumlunar planets that orbit two stars, the extreme tidal forces would make Earth uninhabitable. We might get ejected from orbit, swallowed by the sun, or gulped down by the black hole itself. Talk about a lose-lose situation. But here's a wild thought. What if we built a hyper-reinforced space shuttle to brave the black hole? If we crossed the event horizon, physics as we know it would break down. Gravity, light, even how atoms work, everything could change. Would we end up in another dimension? A parallel universe? Or maybe we're already inside a black hole, living in a cosmic Russian doll. The truth is, we don't know, because no information escapes a black hole. It's the universe's best-kept secret. Could we ever create a black hole? Now here's where things get really out there. Could humans accidentally create a black hole? Some folks worried about this when the Large Hadron Collider was fired up, thinking it might spawn a mini black hole. Good news, scientists say the odds are astronomically low. The energy required to make even a tiny black hole is way beyond what we can produce. Plus, if a micro black hole did form, it would likely evaporate almost instantly due to something called Hawking radiation. Phew, crisis averted, for now. But let's entertain the idea. If we did create a black hole, even one as small as a 1mm pin, it could still cause chaos. Its insane gravity would pull in everything nearby, growing bigger as it consumed more matter. Before long, Earth would be stretching, cracking, and heating up, just like in our earlier scenario. So maybe let's not mess with black holes in the lab, okay? Black holes in pop culture and science. Black holes aren't just science, they're pop culture stars too. Movies like Interstellar and Event Horizon have made them the ultimate cosmic villains, bending time and space in ways that blow our minds. In Interstellar, the black hole Gargantua was so accurately depicted that scientists used its visuals to study real black holes. How cool is that? But in reality, black holes are even weirder. They challenge everything we know about physics, from Einstein's theory of relativity to the behavior of matter at the quantum level. Astronomers have made huge strides in studying black holes. In 2019, the Event Horizon Telescope captured the first ever image of a black hole in the galaxy M87, showing its glowing accretion disk. That blurry orange donut was a game changer, proving these monsters are real and not just theoretical. Closer to home, Sagittarius A's image followed in 2022, giving us a peek at the heart of our galaxy. These images remind us how far we've come and how much we still don't know. The cosmic perspective. Stepping back, black holes are more than just cosmic boogeymen. They're key to understanding the universe. They shape galaxies, influence star formation, and might even hold clues to the Big Bang. Some scientists think black holes could be portals to other universes, or even the key to unifying quantum mechanics and general relativity. That's a big deal, because those two theories don't play nice together. But let's bring it back to Earth. The odds of a black hole wandering close enough to gobble us up are slim to none. Most are far away, and our galaxy's structure keeps things pretty stable. Plus, black holes don't just roam around like cosmic Roomba vacuums. They're usually anchored in place by their massive gravity. So, while it's fun to imagine the chaos, we're safe for now. Probably. So, could a black hole devour us all one day? Sure, if one got close enough, we'd be stretched, squashed, and zapped by radiation faster than you can say spaghettification. But the good news? We're nowhere near any black holes, and the odds of one crashing our cosmic party are lower than finding a parking spot on Black Friday. Black holes are fascinating, terrifying, and a reminder of how wild the universe is. They're not just out to get us, they're shaping the cosmos in ways we're only beginning to understand. What do you think? Would you hop in a space shuttle to explore a black hole, or is spaghettification a hard pass? Let me know in the comments, and if you loved this cosmic ride, smash that like button and subscribe for more universe-sized adventures. Until next time, keep looking up, unless there's a black hole up there.